Order filled.
Hi, I kind of forgot that I went live. And I was like doing a bunch of other things. Good morning. It is 9:27 on Monday, March 27th. All right, let me post this. I was like messaging people in the group and looking at something, and I totally forgot I went live. Anyway, happy Monday. We've had some really nice trades overnight. RTY is green $500. YM is green $200. And then platinum was green 100, now it's red 100. And then oil range is 1 for 1, $350. That's the only range trade so far. This one hasn't taken any today, right? Oh, it had $60. Oh, I guess it had these and it had a few offsets, so. All right, the market's going to open in 2 minutes. I'm going to go on. Hi, Justin. I'm going to go on TikTok in a second. My head is kind of banging. I don't know why. My ankle is finally getting better for anybody that was wondering. But I'm going back to the doctor on Thursday to get x-rays again. So hopefully the break hasn't, like, I forget the word he used. It wasn't displaced. Maybe it was. Anyway, just want to make sure, I guess, that it's still, like, central, like it's still staying in the same spot. And that I haven't had any other injuries. So we will see. Today's Monday. Let's get it. Also, Apex, the last day for the sale is tomorrow. Did it say the 29th on that text message? I don't know. I already deleted it. Did they extend it to like a Wednesday? I don't know. All right, it's 9:29. I'm going to wait a second. I have Santa to the right. I have Fast to the right. I don't have YM. I should probably put YM up, huh? Because YM made $1,500 on Friday, which was awesome. All right, market's open. We had a good student session today, talking about where I kind of see things going, what it looks like on the bigger scale, and kind of what's happened since last week. Sorry, I'm loading up YM. All right, YM Santa. Excalibur. Cool. All right, that's loaded. No, I cannot talk. Sometimes I swear my family forgets about like my career and what time of the day it is. It's literally 9:30. It's the exact moment that the market is opening and somebody thinks they can call me and I'm gonna answer. That's always never gonna happen. Even if it wasn't on a live stream, it's not gonna happen. All right. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes before I get on TikTok. Just because TikTok people have a short attention span, and if there's not something actually happening, they're going to be like, no, thank you. No joke. No joke, though. For real. our play for the students is already playing out. That's awesome. Thursday, so yeah, Thursday I have to go back to the foot doctor. Alright, it's 9:31. NQ is breaking down a little bit here. Hi, Carlos. Good morning.
Order submitted.
Alright, where are we at? Santa. Santa. Oh no, fast. I know I have that on there. Well, I guess that's fine. Fast isn't a long. Let me minimize this, and then I'm going to get on TikTok, like I said I would. Alright, so remember, if this gets green $200, it will move the stop loss up. If not, then the stop loss will stay where it's at, which is a potential $200 loss. So it's at $90. Let's see if it moves up. 125, 135. Good morning, good morning. Now it's pulling back. Kind of trying to figure out what it wants to do here. Right around that 12,900. We talked about this in the student call this morning. So we kind of know what our plan is here. And then we just got to wait to execute it because this is exactly what we talked about this morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, again, 135. If this goes 150, 175, when this goes green, $200, it will take the stop loss and it will move it up into the positive. This is the NASDAQ. I'm always trading the same thing. There it goes. Do you see it moved
Order
itself?
filled.
And it pulled back and it hit the offset. I trade the NASDAQ every day. I also trade the S&P 500. I trade the Dow, the Russell. But my main focus on this stream is typically just the NASDAQ. I'm trying to turn the volume down a little bit. So, good morning, good morning. Please tap the screen, give a thumbs up, share the stream if you think somebody else might enjoy it. We are green about $775 overnight. Actually, no, now like 1,000. And then whatever gold did. So the LISs overnight warranted about $775 in profit. Range, oil on range had one win for $350. If you guys have any questions, just put them in the chat. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. I feel like I say that all the time, and then I had somebody that was on my stream last week, and then he's like, so what time do you go live? Like, I say this every day. Like, I keep saying the same thing every day. If people choose not to listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth, then I can't really help them. Or the words that are, like, on my website or in this chat. I'm going to pin that. Again, if this goes green, $200, that stop loss will come up. Pin this comment. So if you watch it right here, $140, this is my stop loss, the purple level. It will move up if we get to a positive $200. There's 175, 180, there it goes, 225. It moved the stop loss up. Again, this is 100% hands-free. There's nothing that I have to do. Also, the student play is playing out.
Order submitted.
This was the exact play that we had. Now we're in a short here on the fast. But the exact play that I gave my students on the student call this morning was it already played out. So 900. What did we just run back up to? 922. Yep, hit both targets there. Good morning, good morning. We're in this short now for $330 on Fast NQ, and then it just took profit. If you saw that, moves very fast. That's why it's called Fast. I just give random nicknames to my strategies, so if you try to like decipher something from them, I promise it doesn't mean much. It's real basic. Fast is fast. Santa was found a few months before Christmas. Stuff like that. Hey, Alma. Yes, Jen, let me pin that. I'm feeling like sick. Maybe because I had a banana. Oh my gosh. I had a banana once. I know I've told this story before on live, but I had a banana once when I was in middle school, and then I went to school and I didn't feel good. Like I had a cold or something. And I vomited at lunch, and it was just my banana, and I'm like, I will never eat a banana again. I didn't eat bananas for a very long time after that. It was just like, all it did was remind me of that day. All right. Again, another one with this long here from 12,900. Do you see this entry? 12,900 exactly. So it's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. So overnight we are green, $800 on ES, $350 on oil, $500 on RTY, and $170 on YM. Pretty good Sunday night. And now this setup on NQ is green, $200. Sounds good. Yeah, the Apex sale ends tomorrow. So if you don't have cash to put in a trading account, you can use something called a funded account. So there are funded programs for futures traders. I know they have them a lot in the forex world as well. Also, none of the Santas have taken any trades yet, just as a heads up. YM Santa or NQ Santa. Neither of them have taken trades. So what it is a fully funded setup where if you pass a evaluation account, then they'll give you that fully funded account for like pennies on the dollar. Bananas have so much sugar. Yeah, I'm feeling sick. Can you repeat the info of overnight on Bold? No, so again, Bold is not the Algo. So Almo, let's think about this. There are several different algorithms. Bold is not an algorithm. Bold is the company name. So range on oil made 350.
Order filled.
All of the LISs, RTY was 500, YM was 170. I already posted this in the group, Almo, and I know you're in the group. So if you just look in the chat, I'm going to tag you in the chat because that's where you should be following to see all of the stuff that's happening. I just tagged you in the chat. Yeah, so just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're in a $200 short here on Fast. Yeah, everything's going to be always kept up to date in the chat. And if you have a question, like about a trade that's happening or a trade that did happen, you can always put it in chat, and other people will also respond.
Order submitted.
Nice, Laura. I hope you got that. Guaranteed green here on this long for Fast again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, so Fast, sometimes it's having some nice runs, but it's still only green like $100 on the day. I don't talk about the time frame here. So do you trade it? No, this is nothing in TradingView. All of it is done in NinjaTrader. And you get all of my settings and all of the charts and all of the details when you join the group. So now we're under 900, seeing if we can get back over. We're in this long on Fast. Remember, Fast hasn't really proven itself to me. So, Hayden, if you're on the live stream, this one is still being tested. Because there's no specific day of the week or time of the day that I found it works perfectly over and over. Do you know what I mean?
Order filled.
Like, it will
Order
work.
filled.
It will work well randomly, and then it, like, for the same type of day, it won't work well, if that makes sense. So, but Mondays can bring a lot of volatility from over the weekend news and stuff like that. Laura should be super green on this long now. Because this is running. Green $350. Like, it's fun, it's entertaining, but it's not something that I would, am I supposed to, that I would be doing hands-free on an everyday basis. Now, I think it does pretty well on Mondays and Thursdays, but again, I've still been like debunked of that theory, because sometimes on Thursdays then it won't do as well. But it's green $585 here in this long. And again, Santa is very similar to this, so, but it's a bit more conservative. It's not as crazy as fast as. Nice job, Laura. Laura got that long. She's out of this trade. Listen, this was the play that was given in the student call this morning. We said the pullback to the 900 and then the long. And it's given itself a few times now. Here it pulled back at 931 and it gave you the long. And now this one dipped even a little lower. But as soon as it came back up, it had a really nice long. So thanks, Corey. You should come join the group. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So my students were able to get this long. Larome did well. He already made $640. Did I pin that, Carter?
Order submitted.
We are still in this long on fast for $700. Oil is also in a long on range. So Almo, if you check the chat, everyone is chatting. Nice. Santa on MNQ is green 100 ticks here. Very nice. Because my Santa is not in this trade. Target filled on what? Let me see. It wasn't oil. Oh, was it NQ? I think it was NQ. NQ fast is... Oh, no, I wanted to tell people that CL range was in another trade. Green $200 on oil.
Order canceled.
So this is the second trade for oil so far. The first one was green $350. All right, it took profit there. Thanks. If you emailed me, my admin will respond right away, so no worries. Fast is green $690 on the morning. This started 10 minutes ago. Let me show you right here. So look, it's already taken 10
Order
trades.
submitted.
The biggest loss was $200. The biggest win was $615. That's the one that just closed. Green $690 on the day. And this is with one mini. It's in another long here. And oil is also, as I said, over here. Nope, not zones. CL range. This is in another long here from 70.44. And it's green, $220. Fast is in this too. If you guys want more information, just email me. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Showing you the auto trading algorithms. I have, oh, now we're 270 on oil. I want to put this, take it off of that one, put it on this one.
Target filled.
Oh, target filled. Well, now it's, the trade is over. But $700 on oil this morning. That's nice and easy.
Order
So it had a
submitted.
long here. Hit target, just had a long here, hit target, $700 on oil. And 1 micro is green, $72 on Santa. Or on pink. Are you on pink or Santa, Kyle? Oh, on Santa. Yeah. Yep. $700 on oil for 1 mini. We are guaranteed green on this long too on fast, which again is green, $700 on the day already. Really nice runs here today. Oh, also Santas. The Santas are both in $200 longs. Santa's in a $200 long. See, I caught this one late. He got it down here. The MNQ caught it and stayed in it at the bottom, but NQ did not, which is fine. It happens.
Order filled.
All right, so Fast took profit there. Fast is now green, $765 on the day. And Santa also took profit. Santa's green, $150 on the day. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Just go tap, 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 tap with your finger. As soon as we have another trade come up, I'll put it in the front here. Again, oil is 2 for 2 on the day on range. And, ooh, we're going right back to the chops. You guys, look at this move up. We have moved up 50 points from my student alert. Like, people should have had this. Everyone should have had this long. It's now green. 50 points. Like, none of my students should have missed that. I gave it the student alert. I don't know if I'd say chat, but yeah. Plural. Or like the student call. So we have a call every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. I break down the charts and the market, and I know what the hell I'm talking about because I said it was going to pull back and then it was going to run back up. And that's exactly what it did. And that's 50 points. All right, so we're above the oh, we're in a long on Santa. What? Santa. Let me bring this around. Santa's in a long. Fast is not. Only Santa. All right, trying to just catch up. There's a lot going on this morning. I wonder. Hi. All right, so we're still in this long on Santa. Nothing else is in a trade right now. Green 200. I feel like my volume went away. Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is happening? Do I have too much going on today? If you have any questions, let me know. If you want more information, just email me. $425 on this long.
Order filled.
Y'all. This was the play. Like, I can't even, like, say enough. I literally posted this at 8:56 a.m. And the ultimate target is 990. So where are we right now? 65. We're going to get there. We are going to get there. I'm gonna block all this out so I can show you guys. Are we still in this long? $300? My first target was 2960. Oh, we literally just got to 2965. I'm gonna post this in the my ultimate target is 2990. Do you see how many strategies you have? I'm hearing range, scientific. Do you run every one of them? Yeah, because they're all on different things. Yes, you can use a funded account on Apex on the bots. Correct. And they have a sale, an 80% sale that's ending tomorrow. I'm going to just post this in. Alright, I'm going to delete this. So, yes, you can use it in evaluation and after evaluation. Correct. Correct, you can. It ends at 29th now. Yeah, I don't know. Why did they update it for like 2 days, Kevin? That's so weird. So it was supposed to be tomorrow, which is the 28th, and now they're doing Wednesday the 29th. Like, that's so random. But yeah, so right now you can get a $50,000 account for $36. Nice job, Carlos. Look at all these posts today. So proud of y'all. Carlos made these are all of his Apex accounts. So do you see this? He uses the copier on Apex. He made $2,000 on all of his Apex accounts at the time. Are you working futures? Yeah, I trade futures only. Can I use it as many accounts as I wish? Yes, but they all have to be under the same username. So like on Apex, you can purchase up to 20 accounts at one time. So you can like see how Carlos, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has like 10 Apex accounts and then he has a cash account. So yes, you can absolutely do that. Larome, he made $640 already this morning. So this was before Carlos. We'll take this one out. This is Tom. He also does the same thing with Apex. So this is his cash account at the top, and then these are all of his Apex accounts. So it seems like he's running one strategy. This looks like oil here, and then maybe something different here like the YMLIS. So yes. This is Michael. He also has a few Apex accounts. Like, look at all of these accounts that people's have. Douglas overnight. He passed his Apex account right here. Well, can't believe I passed my first Apex account. Yes, I just said that, Albie. You can use it on all of your Apex accounts. Yes, you can apply the strategy to each Apex account, or you can use the copy trader. So the copy trader is a one-time fee of $150, and then you can apply it to all of your accounts. Correct. So you can use, we're in a short now, on Santa, you can use it on the algorithm. Correct. So you go to Apex, apextraderfunding.com. You use the code SAVE80, and a $50,000 account is $36. $36. Yep. So normally it's $167. It's $36 with the coupon code. Oh, I have hiccups. Jesus. So yeah, did that answer your question? Yes, yes, yes. Hi. Okay, perfect. I'm glad that helps. Santa's in the short. I don't know if that's going to work out. Anything else in a trade right now? ES is in a short as well. So Santa's green 225 on the day. Fast is green 765. ES is green 800. Oil is green 700 off of two
Order
trades.
filled.
RTY is green 500. YM is green 170. Platinum is red $155. Really, really great morning. Like,
Order
just add those up. Like, what the hell does that even add up to? ES is now green 137 on this short. This is the short for ES. It's green $150. Hey Mark, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while. Marky Mark. What did I say Santa was? 225? Alright, green 150 on this ES short. Where's Santa? Wasn't it in the short? Did it get swiped out and now it's really going? Oh no, Santa. Is Fast done? Oh, I think Fast is done at like 9:50. Oh, it starts again in a little bit. I kind of forgot about that. But Fast probably would have gotten this short. I want to move this over. So ES is green $225 on this zone short. I just have to move it back and forth because I'm testing some stuff, so I can't show on... Wait. Okay, there it is. Wait. Okay. So green 162. It was green like 225 a second ago, so... Oh, I'll have to see. I'm going to pull this down a little more. Hi, welcome. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. It's super helpful. I don't trade stocks. All right, see what happens with ES here. There's nothing else trading right now. This setup is green, $800 on the
Order
day.
submitted.
It got so close. Do you see this? The target is 40.20 and it got to 40.21. It was 2 ticks away from target, which is so sad. Maybe I need to talk to Jen about the offset. I don't know why. We should probably play with that. What fun you write. I don't know what that means.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I was messaging people on YouTube. I have been ignoring the YouTube chat this whole time. And they were like asking me questions. Oopsies. Oopsies. Yeah, you can never do that. Elmo, I'm not sure what's going on. You said this last week. Where is the confusion here? Pink is still in that long? Are you still on the live stream, Almo? No, I can't explain it. Once you join the group, then you just set up the algorithm and it trades for you. That's how it passes the evaluation. I want to see it, Alex. Where is Irma? Hi guys, sorry, a lot of people, let's see if we get this ES short. It was 2 ticks away from target before. I'm not sure where the confusion is. My pink is not in the long anymore. Okay. Alex's is. I don't know if it's MNQ or another one, but I want Almo to be in the chat again because
Order submitted.
oh, other people are saying it's not. Oh, then why'd you guys say oh? Maybe that was a few minutes ago. Oh, okay. Got it, Alex. Got it. I need to edit this. Did we hit target yet? Santa's in a short? Oh yeah, I see that. I'm going to stay on ES. Hi, good morning. Good morning. What is your risk to reward on this trade?
Order filled.
7 points to 5 points. But it's green $800 overnight. Let's see what the... Because it had some losses overnight. It had 5 losses. It's 58% on the night. It's green 800. It had 12 trades since 6 p.m. last night. So the win is 250. The loss is 287. So very close. Risk to reward.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that.
Order submitted.
Brown Squad, there's a whole bunch of members in the chat. Raise your hand if you're a member. Carter's a member. Jen's a member. Almo's a member. Who else? I can't see who's in here. Like, it tells me there's 80 people, but I don't know.
Order submitted.
Kevin's a member. If you're a member, raise your hand. Because Jeanette's in the chat. She's a member. Brown Squad wants to know. Kevin, Will. Look at all my people. I have 230 members. So there's a lot. Most of the people in this chat are probably in my group. Darren, Jen, they're all hanging out. Santa's getting chopped up here.
Order submitted.
Samuel, oh, MS. I don't know. I know that picture, but ooh, look at ES is about to give me that target too. I don't know if I would say this isn't. Oh, no, that was Friday. Yeah, actually, it's gone back and forth. Fast is trying to get the short. Hold on, I gotta go back to ES. Oh, ES hit target, of course, as soon as I click off of it. So ES is now greened $1,050 on the day. Michael. Oh, Michael. Top Gun. Can you go over how the alerts work? Yeah, so Brown Squad, these are not alerts. This is a 100% fully automated system. It trades for you. I don't have to be here. These trades would still happen. A bunch of these trades happened overnight. Jen, fire. A bunch of them happened overnight. So this is all happening whether I'm here or not. I simply just go live every day so I can show you guys what it looks like, how it kind of works, the overall basis of it. So they're not alerts. They're physically getting you in the trade. Yeah, I have an alert service that's only for my students. So you have to be a student to get my manual alerts, which are 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Also, we do a live morning call with just my students from 8:45 to 9:15. And I gave them that long from 900 to 960 this morning. But you can only sign up for the alerts if you have taken my mentorship. What broker is this? And does it work on prop firms? Yes, Rye. We were just talking about that. Apex is our favorite prop firm. And this is NinjaTrader. I'll put it down below. I can never remember if that's David or Bess. I think it's Bess. No, I don't have no idea. Thanks for the superpower hands. I want to fund my own account. What is the suggested amount I should sign? Yeah, so the funded account amount is at least $2,000 to $3,000. You can't have a... Ooh, guys, we're in a $300 long here, and I didn't even know. Fast is in a $300 long. Thanks for the rose. So again, this is all, like, I didn't even know I was in this trade because the trades are happening whether you're paying attention or not. But again, the alerts are only for students. Sorry, I joined late. It's okay, Rye. So yeah, Apex is doing an 80% off sale through Wednesday. Use code SAVE80. If you want more information, just email me. That's not a student corner conversation, Brian. Does it work with pocket options? No, because these are not options. I don't even know what that thing is. So it works with Apex, it works with Lilu, it works with any prop firm that can connect to NinjaTrader, it will work with. NinjaTrader is the common denominator. Top Gun said he's up $7,000 between a few accounts on this AM. This AM. No touch, thank God, because I'm busy. You made $7,000 this morning, Bess? Oh, that's so awesome. So awesome. What are the requirements to pass Apex? Yeah, so it depends which account you have. The $50,000 account, you have to profit $3,000 and not hit the drawdown of $2,500, which is pretty easy. We seem to pass it within, no joke, within 2 to 3 days. Yep, 1K per account. Nice. So you can set the risk management per prop firms? No, they just have different setups. You can't set it. Look, that would be crazy. Look, this is Apex. You go to sign up. These are your options. So there's a 25K account. There's a 50K account, 75K account. So it tells you which is which. So like the trailing threshold on the 50K is 2,500. Oh, on the bot? Yes, you can. Absolutely. You can also trade micros. So I'm trading minis, which means when I take a trade, I like this setup on ES. I take one mini, which costs me $500. The risk is, $280. I'm green $1,000 already on this from last night, and it's only 10 a.m. So, 2 days of this, 3 days of this, I pass the challenge, and then I get a fully funded account after the 7th day. So right there, it just closed. Is that automatic? Yeah, that's an automatic trail stop. Correct. I have break-even offsets, which will move the stop loss into the positive value, and then I also have a trail stop. So look, so this is fast. So these thin lines here, so this is my hard stop, the purple line. It will move down into the green once this trade goes positive $200, if it does. If not, the stop loss is $200. And then these thin lines will move with the trade as it continues in the correct direction or the direction that it's heading. And then those will act as trail stops. So if we can get a move here, then I'll be able to show you a little easier. But obviously, I don't control the markets, so we'll have to see what happens. All right, so we're moving down here. See, do you see how these little lines are starting to curl down? So it's green 100. If it goes green 200, this hard stop will move itself into the positive $75. How much do you guys average monthly on Apex accounts? Well, it just depends. Like, I showed you this before. I'll show it in a second. I want to see if we can get this 200 so I can show you guys. Like, these are people with Apex accounts. Carlos made $2,000 on 10 accounts today. That's $20,000 in one day. No, you never have to step in, Subez. It's 100% hands-free. This is Tom. Tom overnight. All the top is cash. The rest is Apex accounts. Look at all these Apex accounts. So it depends. You can have up to 20 Apex accounts. It hit the offset here. I wanted to be able to show you that live, but it is what it is. So it just, Michael has a bunch of Apex accounts, and then people use the copy trader to then copy the trades. So, yeah. So it all depends. Like, how many Apex accounts do you have? Are you using all of them at one time? Yes or no? Why is this being posted here? Do you have to pass a test for each Apex account? Yes, you do. But if you're doing the copy trader, then it would essentially do the same. Oh, look how nice the short was that we got out for $75. Yes, I'm in the US. Yes, we have losing trades all the time. Y'all, we had a losing trade here and a losing trade here. This is definitely not something that doesn't lose. It loses often. I even showed you this, ES overnight. It's green $1,000, but it had losses overnight. It had 5 losses. So look at this. This is ES. It had 5 losses since last night, and it had 8 wins, and it's green $1,000. Like, there's never going to be a system that doesn't lose. This is trading. This is not like some made-up bingo lottery. No, I do not trade anyone's account. You trade your own account. You are simply leasing the algorithm from me. You put the algorithm on your charts, and it trades for you. That has nothing to do with me. David is at Harris Cherokee Casino taking a couple days off. Nice. Have fun, David. He works so hard. Dan looks great. Thank you all. Mostly sign up. Is there any place we can see the results over time? Yep. If you email me, my admin can send you a breakdown of the last 15 months. Yo, this is just this morning. Do you see this? $1,000 on ES, $700 on oil range, $500 on RTY LIS, $500 on NQ scalper, $170 on YM LIS, and then $100 on this NQ that I'm testing on zones. This is NinjaTrader, and my algorithm or my company is BoldBot. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So you're not copying. Yeah, the trades are going to be the same, healing souls. I feel like you're confused. This is not an alert service. You're not copying my trades. You're literally uploading a program that trades for you. If you use, like if you're running the same setups that I'm running, because I post my setups every night at 6 p.m., then you will get the same exact trades that I do. So yes, the trades will be the same. They vary a little from micro to mini when you're on scalper, but range, they're pretty much identical. So like I had 2 wins here on oil. This is range with the blue box. 1, 2. This is on a mini, but the micro folks got the same exact trades. Well, it has a bit to do with you. Yeah, definitely. Like I am going to give you my settings and stuff like that, but I'm not trading for you. And you're going to sign a disclaimer that clearly says I'm not trading for you because I'm never taking that responsibility. You are leasing a program that will trade for you. That's not me. It's a program that I developed. And whoa, look at this drop. Did anything catch this? Nothing caught this. Santa's flagging. I mean, can I? No, you can't, because that would literally put you at such a disservice. That wouldn't make any sense. It wouldn't make any sense to copy. We're in a $200 short here on, oh, this is YM. I thought it was NQ. I don't know why. You would be so behind that it wouldn't make sense. And that's exactly why you use the algorithm instead of like taking alerts. And that's why people say, you know, taking alerts and stuff like that. No, you don't get to try it. There is a trial period, but it's a paid trial. It's not free. The only thing I do for free is this live stream every morning for 1 hour, 9:30 to 10:30. That's it. Do we have to email for pricing? You don't have to email for pricing, but if you don't email me, then you're not going to get the discounted link. You're just going to go to my website and pay full price. You don't have to have a specific computer system. We trade gold. Gold is in futures. You don't have to use forex to trade gold. Also, fast is in a $200 long. We trade gold, we trade oil, we trade platinum, we trade silver, we trade the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell. How do I get the discount? Again, if you want the discounted link, you have to email me. That's the entire point of the email. The email is an informational email. It has the discounted link, and it has all of, do you see how this is the trail stop now, and it's following the trade up, because we were talking about that before? Yep, so you know if I'm emailing. No, there's no Telegram, because I think Telegrams and WhatsApps are all scams. I use Slack. Slack is a professional business platform similar to Discord, and you get access to it when you join the group. And it looks like this, Slack. Very similar to Discord. But if you email me, all of that information is in there. So this is the hard stop, which is guaranteed green trade because it's in front of my entry. And this is the trail stop. The discounted price is $500 for 21 days. If you go to my website, you're going to pay the full price, which is $1,000 for a month. So the first 21 days, if you're a new person, you can get the algorithm for 21 days for $500. Brown, did you hear that? So yeah, and even obviously there's nothing, if you email me, there's no commitment. The email has step-by-step instructions, what you need to do if you're doing a cash account. If you're doing a funded account, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to go get the funded account from the prop firm, and then you need to purchase the discounted algorithm, and that's it. It does not work on MT4, but I think you can connect your MT4 account to NinjaTrader. Any account that you can connect to NinjaTrader will work on the algorithm. So a prop firm, cash account, whatever. If it can connect it to NinjaTrader, then it will work on the algorithm. So we're in this $400 long on fast. And again, outside of this, ES is green $1,000, oil is green $700, RTY is green $500. This fast is now about to be $800 on the day. YM is green $170 on the day. So got everything set up for purchase. What was the program to talk to the group after purchase? It's Slack, but you're going to be sent an invitation. So game, when you actually sign up, my admin will send you an invitation because this is an invite only group. So she will send you an invite and it will go to your email. So as soon as you purchase through PayPal, nice. Gold is in a $430 long. That's nice too. Varun. Okay. Well, Amy, my admin, will be responding to you. Okay, so again, they're not pairs, Rye. They're not pairs. They're contracts. Riley. Rye. But yes, I have them all on and they run all the time. Now, within the strategy itself, it has trading times. So like this one, it trades until 10:30 or something like that. So it won't trade past 10:30. But I turn everything on at night before I go to bed because some strategies run overnight. Like oil runs overnight. Platinum runs overnight. RTY runs overnight. So I get everything set up. The market reopens every day at 6 p.m. You can set everything up as early as 5 p.m. So I'm on the East Coast. I set everything up by 5 to 6 p.m. and then I don't have to touch it at all until the next day at 6 p.m. Yeah, it's okay. You're really good at what you do. Thanks for all you do. Oh, thanks, Justified. I try. We'll try the bot with that. Sounds good. And again, the Apex sale ends on Wednesday. So if you want to get that 80% off, it's code SAVE80. Whoa, so proud of you. Thanks for the heart, Vess. Hope it's not a bad question. Are we able to make our investment per month based on the bot history? Absolutely. So even if you just look at one of my strategies, which is NQ range, it made $30,000 the last 15 months. So even if you only just ran that one, after your monthly expenses, you would still be green $15,000 over the last 15 months, so extra $1,000. Now, that's with one contract. You could obviously increase your contracts over time, or you could run additional strategies like the ES strategy or RTY or YM. So there's no limit on how many strategies you can run. It's really just based off of your account size and the risk that you can take on your account. So, all right, so Fast took profit there. Fast is now green, $685 on the day. I'll show you guys the breakdown of that. Again, this is with one mini. So with one contract, this is the breakdown on Fast. $685 profit. The biggest win was $615. The biggest loss was $200. The win rate is 62%, and it's taken 16 trades. This started less than an hour ago. So And then ES, this one is doing really, really well. Oil is doing really, really well. 2 for 2 for $700. This was all essentially overnight. This one started a little while ago. RTY, this one is $500 from last night. Like, this trade was at midnight. This trade was at 4:50 in the morning. So again, hands-free is helpful because you don't have to be awake. You don't have to be around to get it. I got 2 accounts with Apex, and we'll get your bot when I get your email from your admin. Sounds good. Yep, she'll send it over, and then the discounted link is in there. It's like step number 7 or something, or step number 6, something like that. All right, it's 10:27. I'm probably going to wrap it up. I typically only go live from 9:30 to 10:30. I have a few people in my group that need me. Irma's in a $500 long on gold. Very cool. Is there any limit on the account size? No, there's no limit on the account size. Just emailed you. Sounds good, Adam. All right. So I will be live again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, the 28th. Today's the this week is the last week of March. So Thursday I'm going to have a shorter live because I have to go to the foot doctor at 10:30, but I'll still be on. No, there's no insights. So oil already traded. It's 2 for 2, Trisket. Trisket, let's not put stuff like that in the chat because again, it does trade forex, but you don't need it to trade forex. You would just use my algorithm on futures because it's essentially the same thing. They're essentially the same thing. The only difference between forex and futures is that forex charges you based on the slippage of your entry. Yes, you can use it on Apex. We've been talking about that essentially all morning. So yeah, Apex Trader Funding, they have an 80% sale that ends on Wednesday. So if you can get it before then, the coupon code is SAVE80, and you can have up to 20 Apex accounts. Obviously that's a lot, but I have some people in my group that do that. If you want more information about the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yeah, so I have 2 admins in the group, Sub-Zero. When you join, you are sent a welcome message with step-by-step instructions in a video from Amy, and then you are introduced to Irma, who is my onboarding specialist, and she helps everyone get set up, make sure that their strategies look good, that they use the correct charts, and all of that, because you can easily overlook something. So yeah, you do get help. Obviously, you need to choose what strategies you're going to run, but that's kind of helped by Lenny said, "You're a great teacher, done. I'm going to breakfast." He made $280 on micro oil. So proud of him. But yeah. Is ES in this trade? I thought I saw. No, I guess that was something else. Oh, that might have been break. But yeah, you can use it with Apex. The sale is up on Wednesday. So Apex Trader Funding, fully funded account, $50,000 for $36. So you go here and you go to sign up. This is the most popular one, the $50,000, at least in my group. And when you select it, you need to pick Rhythmic with NinjaTrader. Rhythmic with NinjaTrader, not Tradeovate. See, this one is Tradeovate. You don't want this one. Oh, I'll be right back. I need to probably sign it. All right, sorry, I'm back. I had a delivery and I missed it over the weekend, so I wanted to make sure I got it. And I have a broken ankle, so I'm literally limping to the door, and the guy is like waiting for me. All right, so yeah, so make sure you do the NinjaTrader Rhythmic one, because again, everything is on NinjaTrader. We're not using Tradeovate. Yeah, any other questions? What strategies do we get to start with? So you get range, which is the most conservative, which is this one with the blue box, and you get LIS, which is this one with the blue box. That's what you get to start. And then you get scalper after a week. I just need to understand that people really know how range works, because like I had somebody today, they're super confused and they're like, everything must be wrong. And it's like, no, dude, like you're not even looking at the settings because it doesn't even start yet. And then people start freaking out. So like you have to understand the actual basis of the algorithm and the settings, which I tell you when you join. A lot of people just don't like reading. And if you don't want to read, then you're probably not going to get access to Scalper very quickly, because if you can't tell me what time a strategy starts that you've been running for a week and that's posted like all over the group, then that's going to be a problem. I like workup. Thanks. I don't know what that means. How many NinjaTrader accounts or computers can I run it on? You can't run it on multiple computers. You can only run it on one NinjaTrader account, but you can run it on multiple Apex accounts. So if you purchase multiple subscriptions, then you could have multiple computer access. But if not, then you only get access to one computer. How did you break your ankle? Surgery? No, I'm in a boot for 6 weeks. I was at a lacrosse game and there was this big hole in the outer perimeter of the field, and I didn't see it because I was not paying attention, and I stepped in it and then like rolled my ankle. So I'm 2 weeks in. I have to go see the foot doctor again on Thursday. But yeah, I'm in this big ass boot. So stupid. So yeah, if you get the VPS, so this is a VPS, it's a virtual private server, if you guys can see. So this is my actual computer background. This is my VPS. So my VPS allows me to access my NinjaTrader account and all of this stuff on the go. So I can access it on my cell phone, I can access it on my iPad, I can access it on other computers. Excuse me, but it's still the same account and the same stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if you were trying to access the algorithm on your work computer, you could do that, but you would need a VPS to do that, because NinjaTrader doesn't allow multiple logins. Like, this is a desktop platform and it has to be just on one desktop. So, all right, well, I'm going to head off of here. So this morning, 5, 6, 7, 14, like $2,500 on ES, oil, R2Y, YM. I didn't even include NQ. I did not even include NQ. And then platinum was minus 200. So if I did the 200 on NQ and the 155 on platinum, then they would cross each other out anyway. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Again, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll send you an informational email. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 on YouTube and TikTok. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30. And I hope you have a good day. Stay safe. Don't break your ankle. Okay, bye. Bye, YouTube.